3.3 Lindo's coffee example for graphing. So first let's draw the graph for the market. Here is our P, our Q, and our supply and demand lines. Equilibrium point right there. That is the industry. Now let's look at the firm. Continue the equilibrium line all the way through here. We will mark this P1 and Q1, and it goes through here. So this is our Mr. Darp line. However, currently Lindo's Coffee, for whatever reason, is experiencing losses. This is our MC curve, and if they're experiencing losses, that means their average total cost is above Mr. Darp. Here is our equilibrium, and this is the current losses short run that Lindo's Coffee is making. So in the long run, however, there would be changes because firms now realize that this is not an industry where they can be making profits. Firms will drop out. So other coffee stores will decide to leave the industry, and that means there is less competition. So now Lindo's Coffee can shift back to the equilibrium point. So the new graph would, let's say over here, same Mr. Darp line, same MC curve, except now it's at equilibrium. The total costs cancel out the market price. So this is in the long run. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. The supply curve shifts left. So there's a new equilibrium point that causes the line to go up here in order to make it. So it would go up to here. And now this is the new Mr. Darp line, making this equilibrium. Now let's look at Green Mountain typical coffee bean producer. So they are in a normal, perfectly competitive market, and they are earning a normal profit. This is the supply and demand equilibrium point, P, Q, P1, Q1, and then for the graph, the equilibrium continues. This is Mr. Darp, MC, and then Green Mountain Coffee is earning a normal profit, so average total cost below. Equilibrium is over here. This is their profit, their normal profit. QM1, sorry. Now the popularity of coffee is rising. So there is an increase of demand, so shift of demand curve to the right. The demand curve moves this way, new equilibrium point. Now this line continues here, and now it's making even more of a profit. This whole box is now Green Mountain's profit. So P2, QM2, P2, QM2. So with this change in the market, there is more demand. Demand went up, so now more firms will see that this is a profit-making business and they will enter the market. With more firms, long-run adjustments will occur, and then there will be more supply, so supply will shift to the left up here, or sorry, yeah, to the left. And then with more suppliers, there will be it will go down again, and it'll go back to equilibrium in the long run. Okay, now okay, so in a constant cost industry, as new firms enter, the cost of production remains the same. Therefore, the new long-run equilibrium price will return to the original price of P1, since the supply is increasing to meet the higher demand and then there isn't any change in cost. So this market will reach a new equilibrium at the original price, but with a higher overall total quantity. Yeah, so that is unit 3.3.